Hi, I'm Debi Attorri, a member of the new Communications Committee here at Mountain Air, and I'm going to show you how to use your computer and also apps on your smartphone to go to just one website or app and get all the information you need on both the Mountain Air Property Owners Association and Mountain Air Country Club. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open a browser and type in the name of the website, mountainairnc.com. That takes you here. Now you go to log in and it takes you to this place where you can sign in as a club member, Mountain Air Country Club, or property owner, the Mountain Air POA. If you have trouble signing in as a club member, call Marley Knowles. She will help you. If you have trouble signing in to the property owner's site, just call Michelle Young. On an iPhone, you go to the App Store and you search by signing in 4 separate words: Mountain Air Country Club, and search. And that's what it's going to look like. You'll hit the get word, and then when you hit open, there it is. In order to get to the Mountain Air POA app, again, you go to the App Store, and now you're going to search with the 2 separate words, Connect Resident, C-O-N-N-E-C-T, Resident, and search. And that's what it's going to look like right there. And then when you open it, it comes to First Service Residential Connect. And if you have an Android device, just go to Google Play and it will be exactly the same. Go ahead and sign in now and look for the information that's available now. But over the winter, more information will be added. This is how we're going to communicate with you, and I think you'll just love it. Hey, good luck.